morning, we're going to go after some of this gold on these sockets and boards and just stuff that's really hard. I'm spending so much time depopulating, and I'm just going to soak this in hydrochloric acid for a while. It's not needed right now. It's mixed CPU stuff, and I just want to get rid of the solder in the tin. So the hydrochloric acid will dissolve it, and we'll roll with it. Hopefully, I hope I'm not making a big mess. But I was thinking about putting it in either AP afterwards, and then walking away from it. But this is in the hood. I've got the fan on high, and I just have to say how excited I am. There's still some more tweaking to do. I have to put my vacuum system in and run some holes for the outlet and mount my light a little better. But man, it's really nice to have this going. I'm super stoked. So stay tuned. All right, man, I'm pretty stoked with a little bit of gold foils right there, and a little bit of cat hair bonus. I'm not going to worry about that. That'll help me filter later. Just turn the heat on. Let it sit for a couple hours and come back. That silver from those contacts, I still have the dirty silver. I don't even know if I'm going to weigh it. I know I should have decided to look at methods, but this is really what I'm looking for now. So, going back out, you guys can get a glimpse of the hood. I'm still working on that plexiglass shield. I have to cut a couple of things, but man, we're getting there. This is the ductwork and the exhaust there, but man, it's so nice to have this. I love it. So here we are. I took this off the heat. It's about 126 right now. I think it's doing a great job of doing that tin solder. So we're going to heat up dirty silver from the silver conversion we did with sulfuric acid and iron, and I want to get rid of that copper, so there's probably a little bit of iron, so I'll put some hydrochloric acid. I mean, if you're going to do the job, do it right. We'll clean that up, pour it off, rinse it and dry it, and I've got to do a little bit more refining, like I said, on this a few bit later, but I can't smell any hydrochloric acid. This thing works terrific. I'm so stoked. And over here in the corner we have our copper nitrate boiled down. We're going to use that in another experiment. I'll explain that a little better, where we use copper nitrate to dissolve the sterling silver and cement it out in one vessel. So that's what we have. This has been going on for about an hour. That reaction's pretty good. I think the oils on the bottom, I'll probably have to run it through a colander, to clean it up, but that's not going to be a problem. Well, we're going to see if this makes a little sideways video. This was the silver that was cleaned up with hydrochloric acid. It was a little dirty. We're going to rinse that, and this was the mixed CPU scrap that had gold on it, and using hydrochloric acid to remove the tin. So we're going to filter this, and then we're going to let that sit, see how the reaction's going, and address it accordingly. So that's it. So this is what we recovered. This is clean silver, cleaned up and dried out. We'll probably run that through the silver salt, I'm sure of that. So it's almost 15 grams. I'm sure it's going to be over 15 grams when we had the silver that was recovered with the sulfuric acid and iron. And we'll run that through the cell, like I said. So there we go. We're going to be starting that up soon. All right. Welcome back. I have to talk a little loud because our exhaust fan's rolling on high. 100 mils of distilled water. It's 300 grams a shot. Actually, I think it's like 326. Then we're going to do a couple of glugs. So let's see how many glugs equals 100. That looks like 2. That he was looking really well. This is that shot I poured up, I think it was last week. It's got a little bit of residue on it from the melt dish, but we're going to roll with it today. Turn it on 1 for right now. And I'm still working on the hood, so we're getting there. So rolling soon. Say the money shot here. That's nitrous dioxide for me. I'll be scrubbing that soon. That's got a design in it. So here we go. So that's a shot for the electrolyte. So welcome back to part 2 silicon nitrate. I added another 150 mils. Things been cooking away for about 2 hours in low heat. The solution's got a slight green tint to it. That is 256 grams of shot. I thought it was pretty good. It looks like we've got a little bit of copper impurities in there. And I think that black sea monkey stuff is from the melt dish, and then from the 70 torch, man, I cannot explain that. We're going to filter it out and roll with it.